How to remove iOS beta from your iPhone. Many people want to have beta on their phone out of curiosity. However, if it is not working properly, we need to know how we can remove it. Watch to the end of the video and find out how you can do it. Okay, first of all, you should know that if you remove the beta from your phone, the phone will be returned to the last official full version. To turn off the beta version, open the settings on our phone. Here, find the General section and tap on it. In the list that opens, find the Software Update option and tap on it. As you can see, I have an update waiting to be installed. It is a beta. However, to turn off the one I already have, I tap on the Beta Updates option. After that, all I need to do is tap the Off option, which will turn off the beta version from my phone. That's all. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.